Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, and we are unboxing the Romoss Sense for 10,000 mAh power bank.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so there's our power bank right there. But first, ever wonder how to cook those delicious, mouth-watering traditional Filipino dishes like kare-kare, pininyahan, or tinolang manok? Tune in to Cocinero's cooking videos, and he'll show you how to do these the easy way. He also goes live Mondays through Fridays, 7:30 p.m. Subscribe to Cocinero and boost your cooking knowledge today. And it comes with, it's a micro USB cable for charging the power bank. And here is our Romoss Sense 4 10,000 mAh power bank. This is the port for our charging cord. This one is our power button. These are the power indicator for the power bank. So you'll see here how much juice is left on your power bank. And then on this side, we have our USB slots. So the one at the bottom is the 5 volt 1A slot. The one on top is the 5 volt 2.18. So the Romoss Sense 4 has an intelligent chip inside it, protecting your devices from overcharging as well as the device. You won't go over the power limit of your phone in terms of charging it, and you also won't overcharge your power bank. There you go, we have 2 bars. So there are a total of 4 bars in here. So currently we have 2. So you plug this other side of the cord to any slot with a USB interface, maybe on your machine, or if you have something like this one, there. So you can now directly charge this to your wall socket. So to charge your phone, take this one, plug this side of the cord to your phone, like so. And then we plug this one to our Romoss Sense 4 power bank, like so. So there you go. Now your phone is charging using the Romoss Sense 4. So remember that you can charge the power bank and have it charge other devices at the same time that it is charging. Okay? And also, you can use both USB slots at the same time. So at full charge, the Romoss Sense 4 for Android devices like this one that I have right here, this can charge my Android phone 2.8 times. And on average, for iOS devices, this can charge your iPhone for 4.9 times, roughly 5 times. And for iPod minis, you can charge it 1.6 times or 1.5 times. And lastly, huge thanks to the guys at Eastern Cold Brew Coffee for sponsoring our video today. Did you know that cold brew can boost your metabolism and lift up your mood at the same time? If ever you wanted that dark, rich, cold coffee taste, try Eastern Cold Brew Coffee today. Cold brew is not just coffee poured over ice. It went through a process of slow steeping coffee beans, then eventually straining them out. Eastern Cold Brew Coffee. It's the process, not the temperature. Try one today by clicking on their social media links on our video description. The charging time for the Romoss Sense 4, when using a fast charging cable or fast charging plug, it's 6.5 hours to full charge from drain. And if you're not using a fast charger or a fast plug, it would take you around 13 hours to charge the Romoss Sense 4 to full capacity from drain. So there you have it, guys. This is our quick unboxing and review of the Romoss Sense 4 10,000 mAh power bank. If you have comments or inquiries about this item that we unboxed today, please comment it down below. If you liked our video today, please toss a like down there. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell. Click all so you'll get notified when we upload our future videos. Once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video.